start chapter 9 in geography, life in temperate grassland. What is a grassland? Okay, grassland are divided into two categories: temperate grassland and tropical grassland. But in this chapter, we will talking about only temperate grassland. Grassland is a region where grasses from the dominant type of plant life. The words grasslands are divided into two categories. Those are those that occur in the temperate region and those that occur in the tropical region. First, I mention here prairies. Prairies. The prairies are the temperate grassland in the North America. They are bounded by the Rocky Mountain in the west and Great Lakes in the eastern side. Climate. The prairies are located in the heart of the continent and therefore we find here the continental type of climate which is characterized by the extreme temperature. The annual rainfall is moderate and is ideal for the growth of grass, flora and fauna. How which type of plants and animal found in that place? Major crops: maize and other crops, potatoes, soybean, cotton and alfalfa. Large cattle farm called ranches are looked after by cowboys. And bison or the American buffalo in the most important animal of this region. Other animals: rabbits, coyotes, gophers and prairie dog. People, which type of people survive their life, how they what they are doing work. In this topic we will talking about their work. The people of this region are hardworking. The USA and Canada are located in this region. The prairies are known as the granary of the world. Wheat is produced here. Minerals such as coal and iron are found in abundance. Roads, railways and canals all are in good conditions and play an important role in making this region the most industrialized one in the world. And now next point I mention here, the veld. Veld is also a temperate grassland of the South Africa. They are bounded by the Drakensberg mountain in the east and to its lies the Kalahari desert. The north eastern part high velds are located at attain a height of more than 1600 meter in some places. The tributaries of rivers Orange and Limpopo drain the region. Climate: the velds are characterized by mild climate and they receive rainfall mainly in summer months from November to February. Flora and fauna: the animals found in this region are lions, leopards, cheetahs and kudus. In the high veld, acacia and marula are seen to be growing. People, cattle rearing and mining are two important activities in the velds. Soils are not very fertile. The main crop are maize, wheat, barley, oats and potato. Cash crop grown here: tobacco and sugarcane and cotton. These are the cash crops. And the people in this region are mostly engaged in sheep rearing. Merino sheep is a very popular because its wool is very warm. Dairy farm is also an important activity. The products like butter, cheese are produced for both domestic supply and also for export. The Ved have rich reserve of minerals, gold and diamonds. Mining are major occupation of the people of this region. Johannesburg is a famous for gold. It is known as the gold capital in the world, and Kimberley is famous for its diamond mines. And here I hope students you understand this whole chapter. If you have any queries or any confusion, you can ask. Okay, goodbye, see you in next class.